This is your 2-minute reset. If you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or just disconnected, this simple breathing practice can help you feel calm, grounded, and back in your body. It's called left nostril breathing, and it works by activating the body's natural relaxation system. Here's how it works. In yogic breathing and neuroscience, the left nostril is connected to the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and restore mode. When we breathe only through the left nostril, we quiet the stress response, slow the heart rate down, and bring balance to the nervous system. It also stimulates the right hemisphere of the brain, helping us to feel more present, calm, and intuitive. So let's try this together. I want you to take your right hand and gently use your thumb to close off your right nostril and close your eyes. And we will breathe in through the left nostril for a count of 5, and then out through the left nostril for a count of 5. So let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do 2 to 3 more rounds on your own. Inhaling for 5, exhaling through 5 through the left nostril. Now gently release your hand and slowly open your eyes. Notice how you feel, a little softer, a little steadier, a little more here. This is a simple practice you can return to anytime, and it only takes 2 minutes. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs a pause today, and subscribe for more grounded practices to support your nervous system and nourish your soul. Take care and keep breathing.